Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to import notes into standard notes step by step. Importing notes makes it easy to move your existing content from another note-taking app or restore a backup, so you can keep all your information in one secure place. So let's get started. First, open the Standard Notes app on your computer or sign in to the Standard Notes web app using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, allow your notes to finish syncing before starting the import process. Next, open the Account, Settings, or Preferences menu, depending on the version of Standard Notes you're using. Look for the Import Data, or Restore Backup option to continue. Now choose the file you want to import from your computer. This could be a supported backup file or notes exported from another compatible application. After selecting the file, review any available import options and confirm that you've chosen the correct data before continuing. Click Import or Start Import, then wait while Standard Notes processes your notes. The time required depends on the size of the file and the number of notes being imported. Once the process is complete, refresh your notes list if necessary and verify that all of your imported notes appear correctly. Finally, organize your imported notes by adding tags, updating titles, or removing duplicate entries to keep your workspace clean and easy to navigate. And that's it. You now know how to import notes into Standard Notes and bring your existing notes or backups into your secure workspace. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next